Welcome to another evening on our test broadcast from Port Harcourt. And today we're about to announce the resumption from next Monday, which is after Christmas, the resumption of our program, Which Way Nigeria. I'm glad to tell you that OneTV network is now in Port Harcourt. And come 1st of January, you'll be you'll receive OneTV on your TV channels in Rivers and Imo State and a few of the states around the south and southeast, because we're now on digital terrestrial in those regions. Major feat for the network and the One Community Project. I want to thank all of you that have followed us, liked our videos, and commented that more and more stuff are coming your way this season. So keep liking, sharing, and remember to subscribe to our channel because we're going to keep you up to date and running with all the activities of this period, and we'll of course, tell you about the new programs that are coming up on the network and how you, your community, or your region can be part of the One Community Project. Thanks again. Love you all, and God bless you.